Hi there, I'm Daryl Williams from fandangleproductions.com. In this video I'll be showing you how to install Linux Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a distribution of the Linux kernel. It's a different operating system to what most people use. Most people use the Windows operating system. So the Linux kernel and all the distributions, they're all free. So it doesn't cost you anything, and it's really interesting because you get to understand your computer a lot better, and there's tools on there that people are contributing for free. So I feel I'm into video editing. So what I would like to do is to create a series of videos that would explain how to install Ubuntu, how to set up a video editing suite using Ubuntu, and the various media software that's available for Linux computers. So to get started, we need to get the operating system. We burn it on a DVD and then we install it on an old PC. When I say old, not too old, preferably. So we go to Google and we'll type Ubuntu. Select Ubuntu, just the word. Here we are. This is the website, Ubuntu website, and you click download. And as we're waiting here, we want to get the desktop. Now you have a cloud and you have a server. We want the desktop. This is what most people will use. So you click Ubuntu desktop, and it's recommended that we download version 14.04.2. I think the latest version is 15, but that's in beta mode, meaning it's being tested. This version here is an LTS, and what that means is long-term support, and it says it comes with 5 years of security and maintenance updates, and they guarantee that. So we want to download it. Now some of the old computers aren't 32-bit compatible for an operating system. Also, it says here that if you have less than 2 gig of RAM, it's suggested you use a 32-bit operating system. But it's recommended the 64-bit. So, yep, if you only got 1 gig of RAM, maybe get another gig. So you got 2 gig. So it won't slow you down, your computer. And take full advantage of a 64-bit operating system. Okay, so now we click download and we're taken to this page. It's asking if you'll donate. So at this stage we won't do that. We'll just click not now. Take me to the download. So we click that. Notice donation or contribution is 0. Then we're taken to the download page, and in a minute, here we go. This is the image. It's an ISO, meaning it's an image of the operating system. So we'll be burning the image onto a DVD, but we need to download it. Now please be aware it's 996 megabytes, which is almost 1 gig of data. So please take into account what your bandwidth is, what your downloads are for a month, because that's 1 gig. It could take a big chunk out of your download for the month. Before I click OK, I want to make sure that this is saved in my Ubuntu folder. So go Tools, Options. Here's the downloads. This is Mozilla Firefox, by the way. I didn't mention that. Now, normally I save programs in a folder I call Computer Essentials, but in this case I want to download the image to my Ubuntu folder. So I go my documents and looking for Ubuntu. Here we go, Ubuntu. So I'm just selecting the folder. So I'm in the Ubuntu folder. I click that as Ubuntu. I click OK, and then I will click the OK button to save. So I've clicked that. I click Tools, Download, and it will show me how the download is going. I'll stop that because I've already installed it. Don't want to. I just did this so you could see the process of checking how long it takes until the download is complete. Okay, so if I go to my Ubuntu folder here, I've already installed Ubuntu 14.042. Now the next thing we need some software for burning the DVD, the image. So we'll go to the home page, which is Google. That's my home page, and we'll type in Infra Recorder, and we have it here, Infra Recorder. That's the website. There's the download page. Click download. The operating system on this computer, it's actually a laptop, is Windows 7. So I need to install Infra Recorder that would suit Windows 7. So we have an installer here for Windows 2000, XP, Vista and 7. So I'll click this for the installer. Okay, now don't download this until you've completed downloading the Ubuntu image. Wait till that finishes downloading, then go through this process to get the Infra Recorder. I'm not sure if it would happen, whether there would be a clash and changing the folder where to save the file. So wait until you've actually downloaded the whole Ubuntu file, and then follow through to get the Infra Recorder. Before I click save, I want to change the folder that my downloads go into, and I click browse my documents, and then I'll go back to Computer Essentials folder. Click that, OK, and then I would click save. Now I've already downloaded that too, so I won't click save. You know what the procedure is. Okay, so now I go to my Computer Essentials because I need Infra Recorder to burn the DVD. So go to Computer Essentials, there's Infra Recorder 053, that's the version, so I'll double click that. Here we go. I'm on Windows 7. Do you wish to go ahead with this? Yes. Okay, English version. Click next. Do you agree? Yes, I agree. Accept all the defaults. Click next. Okay, that's going to go in the program files folder, so click install. So now it's installing it. Okay, it says completed up here. That means I can close it. Okay, so I'll click Infra Recorder. So I'll click run. And well, that's starting up. I've got a blank DVD. I'll put that in my laptop so I can burn it. Okay, then we go to write image. Go to libraries, documents, computer essentials, no, sorry, Ubuntu, there is the image, click OK. OK, it's found my DVD burner, so I'll click OK. Okay, so it will burn the DVD, and it's set so that once it's finished burning, it will eject the DVD, which tells me, oh, I now have a DVD with the Ubuntu operating system. The next tutorial will be how to install it on a PC. Okay, so enjoy, and I'll get the next tutorial on how to install Ubuntu on a PC.